Alright, today we're just going to do a real quick video. Now I had something completely different planned using the GoPro Hero 9. I had a whole video set up, and not once but twice during filming that this morning, the GoPro overheated and shut itself off. We're talking insane temperatures. Now, I have reformatted it. I have tried two different SD cards. Both have a write speed over 90. Now, this might not make sense to a lot of people who watch my content, but let me just say that this is a problem. If this is my first GoPro. Now, one thing I am used to when I have electronics is having a learning curve. I have struggled through working with inexpensive 3D printers, recalibrations, all different types of activities. But all of my research has led me to believe that the issues with the GoPro Hero 9 unfortunately are not fixable on my end. Now, I have purchased this camera and the things in front of you within the last 15 days. So of course I can return it and I'm going to get a full refund. I'm good on, GoPro for making that process very simple, and I appreciate it. What bothers me is how people will perceive GoPro for this particular problem. Now, from what my research has showed me, this has been an issue for over a year, or since basically they released it. And I guess there's no way to fix it except to upgrade it to a new version. Now, I found a lot of features on this to be excellent, such as the front-facing camera, and the features. The touchscreen, I didn't have the issues that people talked about. I guess they have fixed that. They have done a lot of things, but that is not good enough when I'm sitting in a house that is air-conditioned, and within 20 minutes of doing 4K at 24 frames a second, the thing shuts off and overheats, and I can't use it. Not to mention that it drained 40% of the battery in just 20 minutes. It was insane. So, sadly, this one is getting returned. And I don't know, honestly, when the next time will be that I will get another GoPro. We'll just have to play that by ear. But I tried everything that was mentioned to fix the problem. I tried different bit rates. I tried different cards, as I said, and nothing seemed to function properly as far as preventing the heat when I had the 4K running. So this is going back, which is too bad. I had all kinds of fun active videos that I wanted to shoot, but this will not be my camera. So that's it for today. Just very disappointed in general with the Hero 9 Black, and I'm not the only one, unfortunately. I do have some optimistic, I think that GoPro could turn it around, and from what I can tell, they're trying to with the most recent Hero 10. I don't know, though, if after this experience I'm ready to jump on the Hero 10 until I have been proven that it works first time out of the box. So hopefully we'll see, but my recommendation to people is, even if it goes on sale, maybe you should skip on the GoPro Hero 9. So that's it for today. You guys have a good one.